Hello and welcome. Hope you're all well. Now, last time we had our first look at Wi-Fi and we looked at station mode. Well, today in this session, we're going to look at AP mode. Now, what AP mode is, remember in the last video I told you there's three modes: the station mode, AP mode, AP+station mode. What AP mode does, it turns the ESP32 into like a hotspot, if you like, turns it into a hotspot. And what we're going to do, we're going to have a look at that. We're going to have a look at that now. Let me just sort my life out. Let me just show you what it looks like. So what it is, both your mobile phone, station PC, connects to the ESP32 like through a hotspot. All right. I'm going to show you that. What I'll do, I'll set it all up. We'll do the sketch, and then what we'll do, we'll demonstrate that. I'm not going to actually connect to it because I don't want to change all the Wi-Fi on my phone and everything. All right. But what we'll do, we'll demonstrate it. Okay, let's go to the Arduino IDE, Integrated Development Environment, and let's do the code. Okay, so it's hashtag include. All right, include. It's Wi-Fi .h. And it's greater than. So it's less than Wi-Fi.h greater than. All right. Then it's our const again. Make sure I get this right. Char. All right. Space star. Right. And it's SS ID underscore capitals AP. For AP mode. All right, equals and quotes. Now you can call your Wi-Fi what you want. Call it what you want. But I'm going to call mine Wi-Fi underscore, and I'm just going to call it name. All right, that's going to be the name of your hotspot. Okay. And semicolon, and it's const space char space star. All right, and now you want your password for your AP, so underscore AP. All right, equals quotes on. I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come outside the quotes, semicolon, enter. Right. Now this is where we need our IP address for our router. So it's IP address, and then it's local IP, underscore capitals IP, brackets on. So you need the your IP address. Mine is 192.168.0.132. Right. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. All right, so that's my local IP address, 192.168. And actually, I believe it's commas. It's commas. All right, it's commas. Okay, now then, we need your gateway address. That's IP address. All right, and I have to change that. It's a capital A on the address. All right. So now you want it's a space. Okay, and it's gateway. Right, brackets on. And mine is 192 brackets 168 comma 0 comma 1. That's my gateway. All right, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. All right, so you need to find your gateway, and the way you do that, go into your router and it will give you your gateway address. If you don't know how to do that, then you'll have to go on to YouTube and find out how you find your gateway IP gateway address. Okay, it's a video in all of its own. It'll take me ages to take you through it. So there's plenty of videos on YouTube. All right, so IP address, right, and you want subnet. All right, now your subnet mask for the ESP32, all right, normally would be 255, 255, 255, 0. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. That would probably be your subnet mask, right? Now we'll go to the setup. Okay, take that out. Setup goes between the curly brackets. Then we want our serial dot begin. Brackets on. It's 155 200. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Then we want a delay. 2 seconds, so it's 2000 milliseconds. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Right, and then very similar to the last code actually, serial.print line. And then for the line, brackets on, and it's quotes. What we do here is setting soft dash AP capitals space configuration. All right, space. Come outside the quotes. Come outside the brackets. Semicolon. Next. Then it's Wi-Fi, capital W, capital F, dot disconnect. Brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the bracket, semicolon, enter. And then we've got serial.print line. And then for the line, brackets on. Wi-Fi, W, or F, or Wi-Fi, dot, soft. Just make sure I know where I am. Capital AP, config, brackets on, local, underscore, IP, capitals, comma, space, gateway, comma, subnet. All right. Come outside the brackets. Question mark. Whatever mine is. Yep. Space, quotes, ready. Come outside the quotes. Space, colons, space, quotes, failed. All right. Come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. All right. Now, serial.println. Again. And then for line, brackets on. Serial.println. Quotes. Setting. Soft. Dash AP. Space. Space. Come outside the dot, space. Come outside the quotes. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Then it's Boolean. Boolean number, result. Equals y dot soft capital AP brackets on SSID underscore capital AP. All right, comma, space, password underscore capital AP. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. And now we've got an if statement. If brackets on, result. Come outside the brackets, space, no semicolon, curly brackets on, enter. Serial.println. And then for line, quotes, ready. Come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Next one, serial.println. String, capital S. Brackets on. Quotes. Soft. Dash, capital AP. Space, IP. Address. Equals. Come outside the space, come outside the quotes. Come outside the brackets. The first brackets. Space. Plus. Y. Dot. Soft. AP, IP. Capitals. All right. Brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the brackets. Dot. To. String. Capital S on the string. Okay. Brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the first brackets. Come outside the second brackets. Semicolon, enter. Right. Serial.println. brackets on. String. Right, this is our third one, and it's brackets on, quotes, and it's MAC address equals space. Come outside the quotes. Come outside the first brackets. Space plus Wi-Fi dot soft AP capitals, then small case MAC address, capital A on the address, brackets on, brackets off, come outside the first brackets, dot D underscore STR, brackets on, brackets off, come outside the first brackets, come outside the second brackets, semicolon, enter. Right, let's come down a bit, let's come down a bit. We then come outside the if, curly bracket, and we want else. No semicolon, space, curly brackets, enter. Serial.print line. And quotes, so brackets on, quotes, loud. All right. Exclamation mark, come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. All right. Come outside of the else statement. All right. And it's serial.print line. And then brackets on, quote, setup, end. Okay, come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon. All right. So that's our setup. Okay, that's our setup. We don't need anything in the void loop. All right, we don't need anything in the void loop. Boolean result. All right, okay. Right, looks okay, looks okay. Let's upload it. Let's try uploading it. Compiling the sketch. Compiling the sketch. Hopefully we've got nothing wrong. Hopefully, it looks like there's a issue somewhere. No. Right. Serial.print line. Wi-Fi.soft AP config. Replacing a class Wi-Fi class has no member named soft AP config. Soft AP. That's a capital C. That is a capital C. Okay. Soft APC capital C on the config. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Local IP gateway. just going through things. I just like to go through things while we're compiling the sketch, just to make sure everything's hunky-dory. There we go. And we're uploading. Just that one small error. That's good. That's good. Definitely getting better, aren't I? Definitely getting better. Okay, let's upload it. And yeah, we're starting to upload. Excuse me. Oh, halfway, nearly halfway. Halfway. And we've uploaded. Let's start our serial monitor. Okay, let's press our reset. And what's the problem? What's the problem? Just make sure 115,200. Hope you guys noticed that. 115,200. Remember, these two have got to be the same. Upload it again. We know that the sketch is all right. We know that the sketch is all right. So it's important that you have the baud rate and your serial.begin exactly the same. So you just saw the mistake. Just saw the mistake I made. And you saw the result of the mistake, so you know what to look for next time. Okay, if you ever get that issue. Right, and we're uploading. Nearly there, nearly there, nearly there. So, yeah, the projects are really getting more interesting. I hope you'll find them more interesting. Right, but we had to do the modules. You've got to start with the easy stuff first. Okay, there we go. There we go. Ready. Starting at soft AP. Ready. Giving me my IP address of 132, and it's given my MAC address. Okay, for my ESP32. You're going to be needing them later on, so let's just go to overhead. I want to show you that we've up the. So what we got? I'm going to click available networks. All right, and as you can see, we've got Wi-Fi underscore name. I'm going to click on that. All right, and the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Connect. And there you go. Connected. All right, we've connected. All right, so there you go. I'm just going to connect back to my original network. Making sure everything's hunky-dory. There we go. Right. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go back. There you go. So we've now connected to a hotspot, right? A hotspot on the ESP32. Turned it into a hotspot. Okay. So hopefully you learned something. I certainly did. I certainly learned something. So Hopefully see you in the next video. Please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe and please comment below. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. All right then. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.